Let's kick off this project with something everyone has lying around. Yes, exactly, an old thermometer. But this time we're taking it to the next level and turning it into something truly designer. Like every one of my builds, it starts with the solid wooden beam and parts fresh off the 3D printer, paired with a router. The trick is to print an exact template and route around it to guide the drill press. Because drilling these holes freehand would be way too risky. I tackled it almost the same way, carving it straight out of the wooden beam. But as always, nothing goes perfectly smooth. The print shattered, and so did part of the wood. Still, as I cleared away the broken edge, it hit me. This thing I'm building is supposed to be a thermometer, and I could just cut the whole top off. In Germany we call it Fusch, roughly botched work. Next up, holders for the thermometer, designed to create a floating look. Problem was, I had no clue how to actually make them. Pure learning by doing. I tried soldering the brass rods of different diameters to hold it in place. Turns out there are a few tricks to get this right. Rule number 1. Don't touch the pieces. I was soldering at 400 degrees. After adding some flux, I got it done. Well, almost. Time to polish them up. Here they are. Now let's bring it all together. I've got this polishing paste for wood, a choice I'd come to regret a little, but more on that later. First, it's time to carve out the pockets for the electronics. Up first, the switch. And to make it glow, I added an LED. If you want to try this yourself, grab a plain white LED, you see why later. Time to wire everything up correctly. Down in the bottom right you can see the circuit. Nothing too complicated. So in goes the USB-C board. Honestly, the thought of the USB-C only future is such a relief. Isn't it? Let's solder it in. And just as important, glue it down to avoid any risk of short circuit. For the best effect, it helps to darken the LED's sides. Mounting comes next. And to cross the finish line, Let's plug it in. And here it is. It's not perfect, especially the wood finish could be a bit nicer, and it's sometimes hard to actually read it, but despite that, a true level up. I try to improve my videos. If you like my journey, please subscribe.